So yesterday I made some Space Invader stamps. I learned a lot with my demo one the other day. So here it is printing out on my A-net printer. Little stragglers, and what I learned from last time is to sand pretty well, cleaning it up there. Don't cut yourself. First stamp, I gave it about 20 swipes on the sandpaper there with a moderate pressure. I wasn't super happy with the image, so it was back to the sandpaper. Give it a few more strokes there. Stamp, stamp, stamp. I didn't clean it up. That's what the residue is on the stamp there, so I need to blow that out with air or a towel next time. But this time, super smooth surface. Really nice image this time, so super happy with that one.